Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a book lover, blogger, or reviewer, today's tutorial is going to make your WordPress post a whole lot more exciting. Because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Goodreads content like your reading list, favorite books, or even your profile directly into a WordPress post. It's super simple, takes less than 5 minutes, and gives your readers that perfect interactive touch to your book related content. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right corner. If you're already signed in, great. If not, the easiest way to log in is by choosing Continue with Google. It's quick and secure. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the right-hand side, under the Quick Links section, click Edit Site. This will open your WordPress site editor where you can start adding or customizing your post. Next, look at the top left corner of your editor. You'll see a plus add button. Click that and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type Goodreads. Once the Goodreads block appears, click to insert it right into your post. You can now decide what kind of Goodreads content you'd like to embed. For example, your books, currently reading section, or even your profile itself. Choose the option that best fits your post. For instance, if you're sharing a monthly reading recap, the books read section would look perfect. If you're writing about your upcoming reads, the currently reading section adds a nice personal touch. After selecting your Goodreads content, WordPress will automatically pull it into your post. You can adjust the layout, resize the block, or move it around to fit your design style. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit update or publish, and you're done. In just a few minutes, you've added live Goodreads content straight into your WordPress post. No coding, no plugins, just pure simplicity. And that's it. Your Goodreads content is now live on your WordPress post. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my future WordPress how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy blogging and happy reading.